It's very fortunate living in this world. Watching a flower, hearing birdsong, an errant cloud, the breathless whisper of the wheat in a cornfield. We use our hands to create life. We sow the seeds in the ground, generating everything we need to provide for us. The earth does not belong to man. Man belongs to the earth. This we know. All things are connected, like the blood which unites one family. Whatever befalls the earth, befalls the sons of the earth. Man did not weave the web of life. He is merely a strand in it. Whatever he does to the web, he does to himself. Tell your children what we have taught our children. The earth is our mother. Gaia is watching us. We do not inherit the earth from our ancestors. We borrow it from our sons. Together, we feed the world. We are the future. We are New Holland.